Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to remove and reinstall a graphics card. I've already done this on my channel, but I hadn't had my voice on it because I didn't reveal my voice then. But now I have, so I should be able to explain it a bit easier. PC's on a better spot, so it's not on the carpet anymore, so you can't moan at me for static or anything. So yeah, what you're going to start with is taking the panels off. I am earthed as well, so don't worry about that. So now we need to unplug the graphics card. So this might take me some time, guys. Hold on. There you go, guys. I've gotten it out now. So yep, unplugged. And I'm gonna want to get out anything that may be holding it up. So take this out, and then we're gonna want to unscrew it. So here's my screwdriver. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to unlock this, or like take this off. For me, you just have to open it like that. And then you want to unscrew the screws that are holding up your graphics card. Okay, so now you see this lever here. There's like this little thing that I can push in. Should be here on like every single motherboard. You push it in, and then you can just simply pull your graphics card out from there. Okay, so there's your graphics card. Well, there's my graphics card. So yeah, that's how to remove a graphics card. Now we're gonna go and reinstall it. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to just basically put it back in how you took it out. So you got your graphics card. You have the PCIe lanes, well, PCIe thing. Oh, my brain's not working today. But you got to make sure that this bit here is either lifted up or open like mine is, so you can fit this bit here into the slot, and then you just got to simply line it up and slot it in. Gonna have quite a bit of force putting it in, but once it's in, it should be fine. Then you want to screw it in. I'm going to put my stand back in real quick, actually, first. I'm just going to put it in like this for now, just so it's holding it up. And then, yeah, now you want to screw it back in. You want to make sure it's lifted up so that it's aligned like that. It's upright. And tighten them up. Then you can shut this or put it back. And yeah, so now it's back in. I'm gonna quickly put this stand back. Okay. And then you simply want to plug it back in with whatever cables that you took out. So I'm just gonna look at it, align it up, and just put it back in. You want to make sure it's in nice and tight with these ones from NVIDIA, because they need a little force to actually be properly in, because you can't really have a gap, because they tend to burn if you have a gap. Yeah, so I'm just going to get that in. Okay, that's fully in now. So it's fully plugged in. It's in its PCIe slot. And it's screwed in, so that's all that needs to be done there. So now we can reassemble the case and turn it on. So yeah. Okay guys, now I'm going to turn it on. Excuse the messy setup. And there you go. So, as usual. And bam, we're in. So yeah. I forgot to plug my second monitor in. Hold up. Okay guys, second monitor has been plugged in. So yeah, got the GTR. No, I don't know why I'm doing that. But yeah, that's how to remove and reinstall a graphics card. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.